Hello, dear students. Myself, Dr. Maddineni Srinivas, your dermatology faculty from Cerebellum Academy, and I have with me Dr. Bhagawathgitha, who secured rank of 3310, 3310 in this NEET PG 2024. So, heartiest congratulations, Dr. Bhagawathgitha. So, please, in this video, just I want you to tell few points regarding the dermatology preparation and what was your strategy and how was the class helpful and how were the ENDs helpful related to dermatology.
Sir, the whole dermatology is pictographic. You have to understand the pictures. So eventually your mnemonics were towards the pictures. So it was completely the entire PPT was pictures. So it was damn helpful for me. And then in the ENDs, after each MCQ, you give the whole explanation. Each one, you give the explanation and explain that topic. That was what helped me. Even if I know something wrong, I cannot go back and read the whole topic. You gave the explanation. So everything was fine that way. So not too much of time into that. Everything was done. Just going towards your class, listening to the live classes, everything was done in one shot. I didn't have to go again and again and again.
Okay, so basically, simply put, so you like the ways how the slides were prepared so that the pictographic memory is going to be very much helpful in the examinations. And also, yes, in the
Yes,
GTIPS,
sir.
we do include the explanations for not only the correct option, but also for the rest of the other options. Why are they not the correct answer? So that was also
Yes,
helpful, is what you wanted to say.
yes, sir.
Yes, and what was the chapter which you felt was very, very important out of the topics which you have discussed for the examination?
Sir, fem figures,
Hmm.
the whole fem figures. Without knowing
Yes,
that if you're entering, it's very bad.
yes.
Next, somewhere or the other, you'll get a picture. And
Hmm.
usually it's the coded part, the Christmas
Hmm.
tree and the
Hmm.
entire part. So that pictures. Usually
Hmm.
the fem figures and the rest of the pictures. Even the pastures, if you know the picture of the pastures, it is fine.
Hmm.
So the entire, it was the pictorial memory that we needed in Derm.
Yes.
That was completely there. These two were the important ones. Know the theory of little theory was in the pictures, complete pictures that
Hmm.
you eventually gave in the classes. That was fine. Everything was fine with Derm with only that.
Yes. Okay. So pictures. Dermatology is a visual subject. So if you know the image, not so do not try to buttify or रटने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Yeah.
Just try to understand what is the pattern of the image. So the picture may be different, but the pattern you can identify and you can mark the correct answer. So most
Yeah.
of the times, you can mark whatever you are the previous year topics. 100% of them you can make them correct in dermatology. That is the beauty of dermatology. It is a visual subject. And anything else you want to give tips to your juniors or colleagues regarding dermatology subject, Dr. Bhagavad Gita?
Sir, after pictures, you have to know the treatment part, the
Hmm.
eventual treatment part you should know. The drugs,
Yes.
where do you give steroids, where it goes for the cyclophosphamide.
Hmm.
So know that. See, if you understand the picture, obviously you will know what kind of the treatment you are giving. So for
Hmm.
understanding the picture, you need the theory. So little bit of theory, look into the picture right away, imbibe it, go for the treatment part, over. Dermatology is completely fine with only that. It will be eventually fine, and I got it fine by the live classes.
Okay. So you like the live classes, which we call in cerebellum as mission classes.
Yes, sir. Mission
Okay.
live classes.
Great, Dr. Bhagavad Gita. Thank you for all these valuable insights which you have given, which will be very much helpful for all the future aspirants, so PG aspirants. And I hope this video was helpful. And dear students, if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section whatever queries you are having related to dermatology or general doubts. I will try to answer, and also Dr. Bhagavat would take some time and answer whatever queries you had. Thank you so much, dear students. I hope this video was helpful. Do hit the like button and also do share this video among your friends, and also do subscribe so that you are going to get these kind of very valuable videos on a regular basis. Thank you so much, dear students. Happy learning. Bye bye.